Home fire sprinklers provide a level of protection that no other technology can offer. NFPA 13D is the national installation standard for home fire sprinklers. Compliance with NFPA 13D is intended to provide an affordable fire sprinkler system that will prevent injuries, loss of life and property damage in 1 and 2 family dwellings. The NFPA 13D standard applies to both standalone and multi-purpose systems. The standard requires at least 10 minutes of sprinkler water on the fire in its initial stage of development. That will control the fire early, giving residents time to safely escape, and the fire department time to respond. On average, firefighters arrive on the scene of a home fire within 5 to 10 minutes after 911 is called. In a home with an NFPA 13D system installed, the sprinkler closest to the fire will activate from the heat. A typical home fire will be controlled, and many even be extinguished by the time the fire department arrives. In 90% of fires in sprinklered homes, only one sprinkler is needed to control the fire. NFPA 13D only requires sprinklers to be installed in living areas. This standard does not require sprinklers in smaller rooms, pantries, attics, garages, or carports. Your local building authority may have requirements that exceed NFPA 13D, so determine local requirements ahead of time. Fire is fast. Fire sprinklers are faster. Install fire sprinklers in all new homes to protect residents, firefighters, and your community.